Do you hear your voice? Hey.
Look at this.
Hey. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, what is that? Yeah? What is that? Where's the light? Where's the light? Yes, that's the light. Where are you going? Where are you going? Hey. Hey. Charlie Brown. No, 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 no. Oh, and he's gone. Jacob. Where are you going?
Jake.
What?
Maybe she's a bane almost had popped out.
I have no idea what he's doing. What is that? Bah. Careful. Oh. What are you doing? Light?
Does it go into the light?
I have no idea what this little grunting. Watch. Show Uncle Colby where's the light.
Where's the light? Where's the light? Where's the light? Jake. Jake. Where's the light? Where's the light? What are you doing?
I don't know. Maybe he's being
Jake,
a
where's the light? Where's the light?
Whoa.
Jake, where's the light? Jake, where's the light? Jake.
Up there. There's a light. Where are you going? Oh, snap. You almost hit your head. Auntie being funny.
He's tooting away. Are you letting all that gas out?
Whoa.
Yeah. Jake. Hey. Hey.
Hey.
He looks a little distraught.
You going down the stairs? Be careful.
He's like, I got. Hi.
Say hello. Here's the phone. Here's the phone.
Oh wait, he's trying to go.
Jake, say hello.
Say hi.
Say hello. Jake, say hello. Say hello. He puts it up to his head. Oh, fumble. Say hello. Telephone. Say hello. Say hello. Oh, shoot.
Probably take it away before he breaks the house phone.
Say hello.
Jake's throwing.
Say hello.
He's like, how do I stand up and hold the phone?
It's complicated. This is kind of a big phone.
Alright.
Say hello.
Breaks phone.
Say hello. You got a phone?
Oh, he's making a call too. I heard it ding.
Watch the step.
Oh.
Good job.